Okay, guys, I'm doing my hair transplant video, and yes, there she is. There she is. Don't get hurt. Don't get hurt. Don't get hurt. Don't get hurt. Okay, look at her hair. It's my hair. It's growing out. I told you. I told my daughter. She thought I was always bald over here, so I told her this year I'm growing out my hair all the way. See, I told her I have so much hair. Ah, do I have almost as much hair as you? Huh? Do I have almost as much hair as you or more? I have more hair than you now? Where do you get this energy from? Where does this energy come from? They talk about kids having a lot of energy. I didn't know what they meant until I had you. Okay, well, this is what my hair is looking like. Happy May 2nd and happy Cinco de Mayo is coming up. Whee! What happened? You got hurt? You didn't get hurt.